In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Zendesk subscription, whether you're looking to switch to a different service or simply want to manage your finances better by cutting down on unnecessary expenses. Canceling a subscription can sometimes be a necessary step. Today, we will walk through this process, making it as simple and straightforward as possible for you. First things first, you'll need to log into your Zendesk account. It's crucial to ensure that you log in as the account owner because certain administrative permissions are restricted to this role. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Admin Center. Here, you'll head over to the Account section, and then proceed to Billing, where you'll find the Subscription option. Now, for those of you using a paid account, you'll see the Manage button next to your subscription details. Clicking on Manage is your gateway to handling your account's subscription settings. As you scroll down, you'll come across options like Remove Products or Cancel Account. However, it's important to note that Zendesk presents these options based on the status of your account. Interestingly, most users tuning in today might be on a trial version of Zendesk. If that's the case, here's something crucial to understand. The cancellation process differs quite a bit from a paid plan. Despite heading to the same subscription page, you won't find a direct option to cancel the trial in the interface. Zendesk does not permit the manual cancellation of trial accounts from within their standard user interface, which might seem a bit counterintuitive at first. However, don't worry, because the process is practically taken care of for you. When you're using a trial account, it won't contain any payment information or automatic billing setup. As long as you haven't added any payment method to your account, you won't face unexpected charges. This also means there's no risk of unknowingly extending beyond the trial period into a paid plan. Typically, a Zendesk trial lasts about 14 days, giving you 2 weeks to decide if it meets your needs. If you decide not to upgrade and simply let this period run its course, the account will automatically deactivate. It's a designed failsafe to ensure you aren't charged for a service you didn't explicitly choose to continue with. So, in summary, if you're using a trial account and you don't wish to continue, the best action is inaction. Simply allow the trial to end naturally. In contrast, if you're a paid subscriber, leverage the Admin Center's functionalities to navigate through cancellation options. I hope this guide helps you navigate the Zendesk account settings more confidently. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop them in the comments below.